Hey there! Let's look at how to generate Lorem Ipsum text in VS Code in a quick and simple way. We are going to use Emmet abbreviation to generate Lorem Ipsum. VS Code supports the Emmet out of the box, so you don't need to install any extension. To generate a chunk of Lorem Ipsum text, simply type lorem in the editor and then press enter. We can also control how much text is generated. We can do that by adding a number suffix such as lorem 29 to generate 29 words of dynamic text. Another cool trick is that we can combine lorem with other Emmet abbreviations. Let's generate 5 paragraphs of Lorem Ipsum with 29 words each. That is P from paragraph, star, which means the number of paragraphs, and in our example is 5, and then greater sign is the paragraph's content, and in our case we want 29 words of dynamic text, so that is lorem 29. Alright, awesome, that was it. Happy coding!